It's Tom from Outside Van. Why don't you come with me as we do a deep dive in how the Dinette Table stores in its location, as well as how it sets up in the front seats. We're going to look at how we swivel the seats and how that table positions for all seats to take advantage of it. So we've prepared the front seats by swiveling the front ones and sliding the rear ones back so that we can move the table from its rear storage to the front location. Let's take a look at it in the rear storage. To purpose the marine table, it stows in this mode. So it's on a leg that's on a slide here, and the marine leg is behind it. This table can be used here if I raise it up, and I can use it actually as an extension of my galley. By releasing that, I can lift it up, and I can tighten this again, and then I can rotate my table and position it to be an extension of my countertop, so I have more counter space if I need it with this galley. If I want to remove this and put it in the forward marine position, all I have to do is lift the tabletop off, take the marine leg out, which just snaps straight out, and position it in the front of the van. Installing the marine leg up front, it has a T-nut on the bottom of it. I'm going to take the cover off of the base, and it's got a slot that T-nut's going to drop into. Drop that T-nut in, push down on the safety, and turn this clockwise until it tightens up. Once that's its height, I can take the table, drop it on, and from here I can swivel this table and position it any way I want to be shared by any number of the seats or to be used by one seat by itself. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the overnight van to look at the systems and the way things operate. Don't forget to join us on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram so you can see more of the vans we build and the systems that are in those.